Philips NeoPix 110 Home Projector Review. Budget projector worth buying? If you're looking for a small and affordable projector for movie nights or casual entertainment, the Philips NeoPix 110 could be worth considering. But with its compact design and modest brightness, is it really a good budget projector? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The NeoPix 110 is a compact LED projector with a native 1280 by 720 resolution. It can accept up to 1080p input, but the projected image itself remains 720p Philips. Recommends using it in a dark room with a maximum image size of around 65 inches. One of its biggest advantages is portability. The projector weighs roughly half a kilogram, making it easy to move between rooms or take with you when needed. Its LED light source is also rated for up to 30 mAh, so you shouldn't need frequent lamp replacement. For connectivity, you get HDMI, USB, micro SD, AV input, a 3.5mm audio output, and dual-band Wi-Fi screen mirroring. There's also a built-in 3-watt speaker for basic audio without needing external equipment. Setup is simple. Place the projector where you want it. Adjust the focus and keystone correction. Connect your device through HDMI or wireless mirroring, and you're ready to watch. However, the biggest limitation is brightness. With only around 100 lumens, the NeoPix 110 is best suited to dark environments. In a bright room, the image can look noticeably washed out. The 720p resolution and basic built-in speaker are also compromises. And while wireless screen mirroring is available, this isn't the same as having a full smart TV operating system with every streaming app built in. Overall, the NeoPix 110 makes sense if you want a lightweight, inexpensive projector for occasional movie nights, presentations, or bedroom use in a dark environment. But if you want a brighter image, full HD resolution, or stronger gaming performance, spending more on a higher-end projector would be a better choice. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you think about the NeoPix 110.